I'm gonna do this little pork roast. This pork roast is about 5½ also. We're gonna set it down in the pot and kind of squeeze it together a little bit, get it away from the edges. Then we'll be able to mix our seasoning up with the water and put into it.
Jimmy's Roast and Gravy Magic mix comes with seasoning like this and also a gravy thickener that we'll use later. An option is to reduce the water and add in a 12-ounce can of Coke.
Now let's pour some over the pork roast. Ooh. Man, that hog enjoyed that bath, didn't it? We're gonna drizzle some of this Cajun barbecue wing sauce over the top.
You love your barbecue sauce.
Oh man, that's some goodness right there. You notice that heavy drizzle? And here's our little pork roast. We're gonna close this thing up, lock it down, close the little steam relief, and that little button gonna pop up after it gets hot enough and creates a little steam going. It seals it off and pressure cooks it. So a good thick pork roast takes about 1 hour and 25 minutes in this Instant Pot. So I'm gonna hit pressure cook. Oh, one more. 1 hour and 25 minutes on a pork roast, it'll be falling off that bone. That means you can open that lid up. I don't know if I want you to see that yet. Ooh, that pork roast is right there. I think the bone's gonna fall out before I get it out of the pot.
Right. And while that meat rests before we slice it, we're going to stir in the gravy thickener that comes in the Roast and Gravy Magic box. Now, for all of the things that you've seen today, go to creativecajuncooking.com.